that's what also delayed the wild card game to this afternoon, which you can watch this afternoon on Channel 12, but man, it's going to still be snowy and
cold, snowy, and I mean, I guess it's not really football weather in my opinion, but I guess some people might say it's football weather, but yeah, looking at cold, even here, temperatures right now only upper 20s, lower 30s, and that's pretty much what will be for the rest of this afternoon. Take a look at the flood warnings. These are river flood warnings, by the way, that have still been in effect. They've been basically going on for the last week or so, and we're still just watching some of these rivers across the region. So if you live near one, just be mindful of that. Live radar. Things are quiet. You know, we're dry, no snow out there. Certainly cold enough for snow. I'm taking us down to our storm system, though, that's arriving for tomorrow. This is going to be a minor system, not really a strong storm, but we'll have some wintry precip with it as it makes its way through. But right now, it's currently down across the southern states, and you can see some snow here across Memphis and the rest of Tennessee and northern parts of the Gulf Coast states. So again, we'll be watching that make its way towards us, bringing us a little bit of everything as we go into Tuesday. So looking outside now, blue sky, sunshine, East Greenwich, things looking okay. But if you are going outside, definitely have those winter layers because it's only about 30 degrees in Providence, 29 there in Newport as well, 28 in Smithfield, 32 right in New Bedford. So again, very chilly, staying in the low 30s for this afternoon. When you factor in the wind, although the sun's out, feels more like the low 20s across the board. So again, a very cold time of it on this Monday afternoon. Three key things, again, much colder for the rest of today. Snow and wintry mix tomorrow, generally lighter precipitation, but still could have some slick spots both for the morning commute and the evening commute as well, and during the day as well. Looking at, again, a late week storm potential as well. We're tracking that, and we'll see that in my 7-day forecast. So here's the weather setup in the atmosphere. We have low pressure down by the Carolinas. You can see that red L on the screen. The track takes it close to southern New England, but just to the south of us, and depending on the exact track, how close it gets to us, will determine if we see a changeover to, you know, sleet, freezing rain, and even rain, or if it stays more in the way of snow. And right now, the latest guidance that we've had from today is hinting that maybe more of a changeover to some wintry mix and then even some rain in spots. So looking at temperatures now, you wouldn't believe it looking at the cold air in place, 29 degrees. Look at all this cold air locked up across the upper Midwest. -11 in Bismarck, North Dakota. -4 in Chicago, 14 degrees in Dallas, Texas. And we're talking about, you know, what's it, 11 o'clock there in the morning, Central Time. So again, very cold temperatures. We'll be seeing the cold with us this week, but not quite that low, at least during the daytime hours. So let's switch gears here and go to our storm for very late tonight, around midnight, and then for tomorrow. Notice we have the snow moving in around midnight or so, then towards daybreak. Most of it will be on the lighter side, but can't rule out a little bit of heavier bursts at times. But overall, again, this is looking at like a minor event as it makes its way through our area. Here's 7:30 in the morning Tuesday, maybe some snow out there. Again, for that morning commute might lead to a few slick spots, so give yourself a little extra time when going to work and school tomorrow. But watch the pink and the green on the map. That's the rain snow line. The pink, of course, is the wintry mix, the sleet and freezing rain. Green is, of course, plain rain. And then here's your snow. Notice how by 11:30 or 12 o'clock during the daytime hours, this is moving northward. So model guidance has been hinting that maybe some warmer air off the ocean makes its way further north and kind of pushes that rain snow line further north. That would, of course, limit snowfall totals, lowering them a bit across our area. Either way, all the precip that we're looking at makes its way eventually out of the area during the evening hours, and we dry things out at night. So again, here's the timeline for that storm. Late tonight, going into Tuesday, again, minor snow accumulations possible, especially north and west of Providence. And looking at the snowfall, or the precipitation type, looking at more snow or all snow across northwestern parts of the state, and a snow to mix across the majority of our area. Snowfall map, 1 to 3 inches of snow north and west of Providence, and looking at a coating elsewhere. Again, lower amounts expected across our area. 7-day forecast real quick for you. You can see, again, we're tracking a couple more systems down the pipeline for the end of the week. But again, the main story is those cold temperatures. So again, looking at a minor event for our Tuesday with some light snow.
And cold throughout the week.
Yes, definitely.
All right, medical coverage this Monday. AI